Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today's a fun video, okay? So I just got done watching a video and I was super inspired because I love those I created insert YouTuber's name here video. I like recreated their makeup look. I love watching those shows because everyone has such a different technique and brushes and tools and things like that. So anywho, make a long story short, I just got done watching a video and it just kind of inspired me, so I wanted to hop on the bandwagon because it's fun and we're all stuck in the house, so why not have fun with some videos, right? So I've been mentioning this on my channel since I started. My favorite YouTuber of all time, her name's Juicyjas. She creates some really awesome like makeup looks. Half the time they're neutral, sometimes she plays with color. And in this specific video that I want to recreate, she played with color and she played with the Tati beauty palette. So I figured, why not? I've used this palette a few times, but two times. I've used this palette twice and I figured, why not recreate her colorful look? Because I've only used this palette for the neutrals. So let's jump right into this video. Now, I already have a full face on. Not necessarily a full face, to be honest. I have on some foundation, my brows, and I've had this on for a while. So after the eyes, I'll like touch it up a little bit to make sure everything looks smooth. But we're really focusing on the eye look because I've been just wanting to play with more color. And I'm even channeling my inner Juicyjas. Y'all know she don't wear no shirts and she always has her hair laid back. So I even straightened my hair for this video, so I'm excited. So without further ado, let's hop right into this bad boy.
I'm going to start off by just priming my lids. I'm going to use my NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer, which I love. There was a point where
Okay, so she starts off with the NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer, and I actually have the same thing. I'm going to start off with the same thing. It's the NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer. I've never done my makeup like this before. I've never had on like a full face of makeup and then put eyeshadow on. No. So I'm blending this out using my e.l.f. concealer brush. Like, I don't know how this is gonna turn out because I already have on makeup. The color is off, but she started off with this color right here. That's too light for me, so I'm gonna start off with this color right here. So now she's actually going into Soothe, that soft brown. She's using that as a transition. That's what I literally just set my lid with. So I'm gonna take that and just continue to set my lid with that. So next she's going into this color right here, which I already have on my brush. And she's kind of focusing that on the outer. So that's what I'm gonna do. It'll be all right. So I'm just gonna like kind of follow her, and she says she's just taking it in. She's gonna keep it more so on the outer. Fallout is the reason why I don't have my makeup done before I do my eyeshadow, because oh my Lanta. I know all palettes have like fallout and stuff, but I hate when it gets on my makeup. And y'all, the reason why my face looks so good is that Haley's Beauty foundation. That's what it is. That's all I have on. I don't have a highlight or nothing. I have on the Haley's Beauty, a little bit of bronzer, a smash bit of highlight, which is almost gone because my baby's been eating it off my face, and that's it. So y'all need to get y'all hands on that Haley's Beauty. It's really good. So next she's going in with this metallic color right here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take that on my flat Anastasia brush. So initially when I picked this color up, it wasn't really picking up on my brush and I kind of had to dig a little bit. But now that I kind of made it through that initial layer, the color is gorgeous. Like, this is beautiful. So now what she's doing is she's taking the black in this palette and she's taking it right on the outer, her outer V, and kind of smudging it on her lash line. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I tried to get the fallout off as much as I could, but I'll fix it in a minute. But now she's going into that black glitter and she's using the same brush. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Used for the metallic shade, and I'm just going to dip my brush and really pack on that glitter.
So I wound up taking my makeup that I had on already off. It had too much fallout and I kind of wanted to follow her, what she's using. So I went ahead and made that last minute decision to take that makeup off. So let's keep moving right along with the video. So first she's spraying her face with a Kokie Cosmetics primer spray. I don't have that. So I have the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh primer spray. So this is what I'm gonna be using right here. So it looks like she's taken a ColourPop hydrating primer. I don't have that. So I am going to actually use this Skin Tune Farsali primer. Plus I have oily skin, so this is like my second time using this primer. So I love the way it makes my skin feel, and I love the way it feels applying to my skin. For sure, it feels really good. Oh, it looks like now she's going in with the Milk Makeup Hydrating Primer, or Hydro Grip Primer, which this is not hydrating, but it does grip your makeup. So I'm just gonna use just a little bit because, girl, we ain't going nowhere. We're quarantined. I'm gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna take some pictures of this look because this eyeshadow is bomb, okay? So it looks like she's mixing two foundations, a matte one and a luminous one. So I have the Hailey's Beauty matte foundation, but I don't have the ABH. So I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty. And she mixed these two, so I'm gonna mix these two and see how that goes.
I'm noticing that this eyelash is giving me a little bit of a hard time, so we're gonna reapply it because the inner corner is like coming off and it's not cute. So I'm gonna go in with
Looks like next she takes a ColourPop concealer. I don't have that. So I'm just gonna use the Fenty Beauty one that I have. All right, so she is gonna use the Milk translucent powder. I don't have that, so I'm gonna go in with the Hailey's Beauty one that I have. This is like super glam, like super glam. I haven't done a super glam look like this in forever, cause y'all know when you got kids, there ain't no time for super glam. But this is turning out so pretty. I forgot how much I love doing super glam looks. Oh, this powder is the bomb. I'm telling you, this Hailey's Beauty, man, I'm like stunned. I'm like stunned. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face because I feel like I made a mistake buying that Fenty. Even though I love Fenty, I felt brave to get a hydrating foundation knowing damn well. So she's going in and finishing up her under eye, and what she's doing is she is taking the black right here and also this purple with a white haired brush. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me get a brush roll. Okay, so it looks like she's also taking this color right here. You can't see it because my lights are too bright, but it's this one right here from Tati Beauty, and she's putting that in the inner corner. I don't know how that's gonna look on me, because let's not forget I am melanated. Okay, so it looks like she did a pop of color on her lash line. She used a ColourPop Creme Gel Liner and like a periwinkle. I only have this one and it's from LA Girl. I haven't even opened it yet. So we're gonna do that one. It's the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Electric. That's the one we're going for. So that was my first time using this, and I actually really like this eyeliner. I like this a lot. I like these a lot. And then I'm gonna finish up my lower lashes with the Fenty Beauty mascara because it can turn both ways. So I'm gonna turn it the other way. Whew, child, jeez. This is a beautiful makeup look, but this takes a while. Okay, so she's using the Thrive Cosmetics bronzer. I'm gonna use the Fenty bronzer. And I'm just taking this big fluffy brush, it's this MAC 150 brush, to kind of blow it out, because I like my bronzer to be like blown out. I'm personally just gonna hop right into highlighter, and I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Chic Freak, because this is literally like dead ass my favorite highlighter of all time. I'm just gonna take some of this Fenty lip gloss in the shade Sweet Mouth, and I'm just gonna place that over because I don't really have a nude that I feel like would go with this makeup look. So finally, it's time to set. Using a Motive 10 Years Younger. I don't have that, so I'm actually just gonna set with what I primed with, and that's the NYX primer. You know what? I'm not even gonna cover my eyes. I never do anyway. So that is it for today's makeup look. I love this personally. It is very, very, very glam. I have to admit, I have not done a full glam like this in a very long time. So I'm glad that I decided to pop this. I've been itching to recreate this look anyway, so I'm super excited that I got to do this. But yeah, so that's pretty much the end of today's video. I really enjoyed this, and I think I'm gonna, you know, do these a lot more often because I really like recreating different looks to kind of give me more inspiration. I hope it looks as good as hers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video down below and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.